Hey there, what's up? It's me, Komal, and welcome to my channel, Whisper Komal. In this video, we are going to discuss about first same, second unit, first topic, that is bacterial cell division. So, before going to the main topic, we need to know something basic things, that is bacteria is unicellular and nucleus is not well developed, nuclear membrane is absent. This is the basic thing. So now we will see the process of cell division in bacteria. Okay, so it includes four steps. First one is DNA replication, DNA separation, cell growth, cytokinesis. That's it. So one more thing, in bacteria circular DNA is present. Okay, so in first step, DNA replication. So you can see this picture, circular DNA is present. So somewhere in circular DNA, origin of replication present. With the help of this origin of replication occurred. So this is the process by which they are replicating itself. You can see in this picture replication bubbles, replication fork. So after bubble formation, DNA replication will start or finish at the end. So now we know that DNA is double strand. Okay, we learn about DNA in 12th class. So we know that DNA is double strand and bounded by hydrogen bond. So for replication we need to break the hydrogen bond. In DNA replication, proteins are present and protein degrade the H bond and then replication start. After replication, two DNA are attached together, so need to separate that daughter DNA. So in second step, DNA separation, they are knocked, so it will be separated by enzyme, and then origin attached to cell wall. So this DNA will attach to cell wall and next process will start, that is cell growth. After separation of DNA, both DNA will separately attached in cell, and then in growth phase or in cell growth, cleavages are formed. You can see in this picture, cleavages are formed and slowly they are starting to separate themselves. At the end, cytokinesis occurs and then cell completely divided into two cells, or you can say two daughter cells, and they will form two cells. And this is the process of bacterial cell division. Our first topic is completed. Tomorrow we will discuss next topic and so on. And if you are new, then subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon. Till then, bye, see you soon.